I'm camcording you, Bo. Bo! Oh God.
Oh God. Me and this nigga right here like, for the club up, nigga, shit. Come on, Bo. This nigga right here. I was gonna give him a stick for his birthday and tell him that we're like a stick. You can't break it apart.
You look gay.
Yeah! 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 My name's Pete! Yeah! Yeah!
Bobo, why do you look confused?
I got a commercial for you. Commercial. You look like I'm on drugs? I don't do drugs, I swear to God. Don't fucking, that's close up. I want to close up. Do I look like Brad Pitt to you?
What up, G? Damn, bitch! Oh God, here we go.
Night at the Roxbury?
I'm an 8.
I ain't spit.
Purified water from the lakes of Minnetonka.
Here. Give me my trash can.
The baby feet over here. Yeah! That's her baby. Yeah! Baby Gerber feet.
Alive!
Oh my God. Really pushing up again, she done gone and robbing.
That's what this smells.
These niggas always sucking face. I'm surprised Katie's got a face.
It really sucks.
I'm surprised Katie's got a face. Look at this shit. It's amazing.
Well, hello.
Hello. What the
Bloody.
Come on. I do not have sexual relations. I want you to touch my penis. Just touch it, Hillary. Just touch it. My name's George W. Bush. I do like black people. I just don't like Katrina. I'm looking for John Connor. I'm looking for John Connor. Get down. Oh my gosh.